To replace this sunroof roller, we must replace the old base. We need to replace the old base, because the old base has been used for a long time. The hole inside has been worn round. We must replace it with this new one. This is the new one. Okay, now we're going to replace the roller shutter. First, we insert the end of the swivel into this hole. Okay, and shoot it inside. After inserting it into the hole, we need to use our hands. Use your hand. Use your hand to hold the middle of the connector. And don't let it rotate. Push it to this side while clamping. Push. While pushing, you can see the pull pin. There is a latch here. We need to pull out this pin. Don't let it move to this side when pulling it out. Be sure to hold the roller shutter tightly. Pull out the pin. Pull it out and it will be inserted. See? Pull it out and it will be inserted. Keep clamping it all the time. Don't let it go. Now we'll poke it here. Look here. There is also a hole and a buckle here. This buckle is very simple. We just need to poke it into this hole. There is a hole here. See? This hole is good. Poke it like this. This buckle is movable. We take a tool. Use a tool to press it down like this. Press it down and it will go in. Okay, when you hear a click, it's in. Now let's put this connector. Tear off these tapes. And tear it off. After tearing off this clip, now we can enter the track. Now we can put this connector into the track. This connector enters the track like this. Look here. We see a white line here. There is no white here. This rubber band. We need to follow this rubber strip into the white slot. Go in along here. See? Go in like this. Hook it in like this. And this cloth should also be inserted into the slot. That's it. Like this. It's in here. Now we come to this side. And then to this side. When going up, hold it tight. Don't use this. Don't use this to turn the wheel. Now we come to this side. The same method is used here. Insert the white plastic sheet at the bottom. Into this track. And insert the white plastic sheet into the track. Must run into this same. Go back inside. The cloth should also follow and run inside. Okay, that's it. It's in. See, it's in. Both sides are in. Now we take this track and drag the roller shutter all the way. Okay. And drag it forward. Until here. Until here, we see a buckle. There are two buckles on both sides. One on this side, and one here. There are two clips. When pushing it here, this rotates. We cut it. Here. The stainless steel seam. Align it with the rubber strip. Put it like this. Okay, just put it in like this. The same on this side. Both sides are in. After inserting it, we need to push it up hard. Flip it over like this and it will be flat. See, the wheel is now flat. The wheel has been installed. Now let's put these. Put these calcium tablets back on. And the plastic cover back on. Now we can take it to the car. to see if it works. Okay, the turntable is now installed. Now let's try to see if it works. Now let's turn it on. Look. Okay, it's turned off. It's turned off. Okay, perfect. Perfect.